Question for young students. Only no political question. 5 questions. Random. First row, middle row, last row. Last row fellows. This side also. Anybody can ask question, okay? Who will ask? Get up first.
Good evening, sir. I'm Janani of 10th standard. Sir, we have got a tremendous advancement in science and technology. Is it the advantage or disadvantage?
Well, I personally believe what science does, it make you to ask questions. Okay? Till you get an answer, you question. Answer will come in the form of experiment form, answer in theoretical form. So it makes you, enriches you, make how to ask good questions. Okay? The earth is there. Our earth. Earth is rotating own axis. How much time it takes? Takes 24 hours. Day, night. But earth orbits around what? Orbits around? Tell me, sun. How much time it takes? It takes 1 year. Okay? So sun orbits around what? Our galaxy. What is the galaxy name?
Milky Way galaxy.
Milky Way. How much time it takes? Sun takes to go around the galaxy? How much time it takes? 200 million years. Okay? Because such a big galaxy with millions of stars. Okay, next question. This side. Yes, yes. Get up, get up.
Who gave you bravery, sir?
Who gave?
Bravery. Braveness.
Courage. Well, you see, courage you have. You know, courage comes from knowledge. Hello, you fellow, ask a question here. Look at me. You repeat with me, knowledge. Repeat with me, knowledge. Repeat, knowledge is equal to creativity plus righteousness plus courage. So knowledge comes from courage. Okay?
ஹலோ சார், இயற்கை சீற்றங்களை தடுக்கவும் அதிலிருந்து நம் மக்களை காக்கவும் தங்களின் வழிகள் என்ன? ஏன்னா உத்தரகாண்ட் அப்புறம் நம்ம தமிழக
only one question கேளு.
இல்ல அதே क्वेश्चनோட
only one question கேளு.
அந்த क्वेश्चनோட கண்டினியூவேஷன் தான்.
இல்ல ஒரே question கேளு. So இயற்கை சீற்றத்திலிருந்து நாம் எப்படி காப்பாற்றிக் கொள்வது? அதான் உங்க கேள்வி. இயற்கை சீற்றம் ஒன்று நேச்சுரல், another is artificial. Fire, a great fire. If you are careless, fire will take place. It will create problem to the homes and many people. But natural is cyclone. Okay? Cyclone, புயல் காற்று, இது வந்து நேச்சுரல். புயல் காற்று இப்போ ரடார் வந்திருக்கு. ரடாரை வச்சு எங்கே புயல் உருவாகி இருக்கிறதுன்னு கண்டுபிடிக்க முடியும். 100 கிலோமீட்டர்லேருந்து கடலுக்கு, கடல்லேருந்து 200 கிலோமீட்டரா எப்படி அட்வான்ஸ் ஆகுது ரடார் மூலம் தெரியும். ஸோ உடனே ஃபோர்காஸ்ட் பண்ணலாம், எப்போ வந்து அந்த புயல் ராமேஸ்வரத்துக்கு வரும், நாகப்பட்டினத்துக்கு வரும், மெட்ராஸுக்கு வரும் அப்படின்னு கண்டுபிடிச்சிடலாம். ஓகே? ஸோ அதில் இதில் விபத்துக்களை குறைக்க முடியும், ஃபோர்காஸ்ட் பண்ணி விபத்தில் குறைக்க முடியும். Okay, next question.
Good evening, sir. My question to you is, can you tell me which is the most dangerous part of a rocket?
Dangerous part of?
A rocket?
Well, a rocket is itself dangerous part. If it's not properly handled, that fellow will take care of you, okay? So, what we have to do, rocket has got, about 80% of the rocket has got propellant. Propellant means oxidizer and the fuel, 80%. So to initiate it, we use igniter. It has a timer, electronic timer. The electronic timer will say at 60 seconds it should be ignited. It will initiate the rocket motor. You mishandled. If it is static charges, suppose you are having a plastic shirt, nylon shirt, then static charge will develop. If you go and touch the rocket, rocket will explode. So normally they should be discharged. The static charge will discharge. Everywhere there will be a metallic conductor, you will discharge yourself, enter into the rocket places, okay? So there are ways of safety methods, okay?
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Yes, yes.
Very warm wishes to you, sir.
Yeah.
I take great pride to stand before
What
you.
is the question?
Yes, sir. Why is still India not able to set up a space station? What implementations are required for a manned lunar probe from India?
Well, I personally believe we have put a satellite orbit around the moon, and also our space scientists landed a probe in the moon. Now, a Mars probe, Mars payload is moving towards Mars, okay? It will supposed to reach there some last week of September and then start sending details about Mars geography, geology, and also atmosphere. Now, when will you put astronaut, our own astronaut, walk in the moon, walk in the Mars? When you are ready, it will be ready. They will be ready. Okay. So my view is by 2030, India will have capacity, put a man, land a man, or go orbit around the moon or Mars. Okay. Okay.
Thank you, sir.
Last question here. Last question.
The
Last
best brain of the nation may be found from the last benches of the classroom. Sir, could you please tell us what made you to believe in the last bench students?
Where are you? Repeat your question.
The best brains of the nation may be found from the last benches of the classroom. Could you please tell us what made you to believe in the last bench students?
Because I was the last bench.
Even I too, sir.
Sometime on the last bench. Most of the time on the first bench. But I felt a last bench, and everybody has got some knowledge. Every human being has got some knowledge. A great teacher, a good teacher, his way of teaching, his way of interacting with the student, he doesn't care whether you are the first row or the last row. For him, everybody a student. For her, everybody a student. Okay?
Thank you.
So friends, with this I will say, all of you repeat with me that where there is righteousness in the heart, there is beauty in the character. When there is beauty in the character, there is harmony in the home. Who will give this righteous in the heart? Before 17 years, afterwards, very difficult. When you reach 17, another plus 30, 3 years, 20, you can get righteous in the heart. Righteous in the heart only give 3 people. Who are these 3 people? Can you guess? Yes. You got only 50 marks out of 100. Correct answer is father, mother, in a spiritual environment. In a spiritual environment. Why you are silent? Father, mother, in a spiritual environment. And the third person, the great primary school teacher. So friends, wish you all the best. God bless you.